Hello, my name's Alan Buckfield. I'm a trustee of Age Cymru, Pembrokeshire, and have been since 2008. Although basically it's a charity shop, we get a lot of praise from people who come in here and look around, and they love the ambience, they love the tone of the place, and they also think we're a professional gallery, which is a lot of praise due to the quality of the artwork we have, and also the niceness and the professionalism of the people who work in the gallery. Not only are we a gallery, but we also try to promote all the other facilities offered by the charity. We make Christmas cards with people, we've made posters, lots of little things that go on. We have a regular IT group that meets in here, especially to help older people get involved with modern technology. Every Friday morning we have an information and advice group which promotes the work of the charity. All artists here are over the age of 50, they live in Pembrokeshire, and they all agree to pay 35% commission, which goes towards the charity's work with the over 50s in Pembrokeshire. So it's a nice symbiotic relationship.
My name is Karen, I work for Age Cymru, Pembrokeshire, and I'm the Deputy Chief Officer. Alan has worked for the organisation for a number of years as trustee. He's fantastic. We think the world of him. He's taken over this gallery and done a fantastic job with it. He's turned it round. He's increased the number of hours and the opening times for the gallery. We've seen such an improvement in it. He's just a charming gentleman. We're really proud of the gallery. It's just a different take on a charity shop. We've had lovely comments. The Haverfordwest Chamber of Commerce has commended us and said it's raised the profile of the town. It's certainly given a presence to the high street. We've had a lot of lonely people coming in. They found they've been able to come in and look at the artwork and have a cup of coffee, and our artists and volunteers have really taken to them and realised perhaps they are lonely. They've sat with them and sort of taken them into their care, and they've found that they can get them involved with the organisation, with our befriending groups, given them information, and it's been fantastic, the feedback that we've had from it. So it's, yeah, fantastic gallery, very proud of it.